And guys, this is how you make my famous homemade chicken and shrimp Alfredo pasta sauce. Guys, go ahead and check out my other video which I show you how to make this homemade Alfredo sauce. Guys, you will never buy another jar of Alfredo again after this recipe. Okay, what you're going to do is add a little oil to coat the bottom of the pan for the vegetables. What I have here is red, orange, and yellow peppers. I'm going to do the peppers first. Let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to add the onions. The onions tend to cook faster than the peppers, so I want it to be softened at the same time. So this step is totally up to you, and it's up to your preference whether you want your vegetables like extra crunchy or medium, but I want mine really soft. Well, you won't know that they're there, but you can taste them. You can start off on a medium heat. You don't want to burn it. What you want to do is bring your water to a boil, and I have salt and oil in here just to flavor up the noodles a little bit, and the oil is to keep it from sticking. And I have fettuccine noodles, so you can use whatever brand you like. I have the Rila brand, and I'm going to use 2.5 boxes of those. But before you add them in there, you want to make sure that your water is to a boil. So you want it to boil, but you want to kind of stir occasionally to make sure they're not sticking, even though the oil is still in here. Okay, this has been cooking for about 2 minutes, and you see this beautiful char that's getting on them. So I'm going to let this cook for about 1 more minute, and then I'll go ahead and add my onion. Again, the onions doesn't take that long to cook. That's why I want to make sure I cook these peppers down before I add them in. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add my onions. And this is nothing but 2 medium-sized onions. And let this cook down until your onions get translucent or clear, or however you desire them to be. And at this time, guys, what I do with my vegetables, add just a little bit of salt and pepper. I want every single bite of this dish seasoned. Got just about 2 pinches of salt. Go ahead and cook that down. Okay, so this is finished for me. This is exactly how I want it, so I'm going to take this out. Now I'm going to start on my chicken. Okay, so what I have here is about 5 chicken breasts slit in half and cut up in slices. And I have Creole seasoning. I have roasted garlic, red pepper seasoning. I have Sazon Perfecta seasoning, parsley, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. So these are the ingredients that's going to go on this chicken for our chicken and shrimp Alfredo. Okay, so we're going to take the Sazon Perfecta seasoning. As this tastes amazing. Please get you some. Roasted garlic and red pepper. Red bell pepper. Onion powder. Garlic powder. And again, onion powder and garlic powder has no salt. So don't be afraid to use that. I have some Tony's Creole seasoning. Just to add a little kick. I have paprika. A little color, and I have parsley. Guys, if you have parsley, fresh parsley, go ahead and use that. Fresh vegetables are always better. And black pepper. So you're going to go ahead with your hand. Go ahead and mix that up. I said every single bite of this dish, you want to make sure it's well seasoned. Don't want to over salt it, but you want to make sure the seasoning is there. Okay, that is about it. And we're going to go ahead and take this to the frying pan and fry this on up. So what you want to do is take that same pot that you had with the vegetables in, and you want to go ahead and put grease in there. Any extra grease, you can go ahead and take that out after everything is done. Okay, you want to go ahead and let this get heated up. Don't worry, guys, all of that seasoning and stuff to the bottom. Let that stay in and just, you know, get right on up. Ooh. We want to go ahead and fry these up. You can put these on the grill, guys, or you can put them in a pan with a little bit of grease. It's totally up to you. It's up to your preference. So I'm going to allow this just to brown a little bit. You already know chicken breast can get a little dry and tough, so you want to make sure you don't overcook this. When I tell you this smells amazing, oh my gosh. Guys, I can't really tell you how long to allow it to cook because your chicken may be thinner or thicker than mine, so you have to kind of go on your own judgment. And all of these seasons, guys, you just want to make sure you get all of that up. So this is how I want mine, so I'm going to pull this out. Okay, what I have here is some grilled chicken, breast strips. I like to mix this up in my pasta and give it like a whole nother different flavor. As far as the chicken, this is already pre-cooked and pre-grilled. And it has like a flavor already, but I like to add other flavors onto it. This tastes amazing, guys. And with that same pan, I'm going to leave my seasonings. I just added a little more oil. I'm going to drop the whole thing in there. So this one, what I do is just lightly season. Onion powder, garlic powder. This is the same seasoning that I use with the other chicken. The only thing that I don't put on here is the paprika and the other roasted garlic peppers. Okay, so what I do is add and or take away some of the seasonings when I'm doing these different meats. Even though it's all going in the same pot, and yes, it is chicken, but I do want like a different flavor, a distinct flavor with each one. I don't want both of the meats to taste the same. So when you bite into it, you're gonna taste one flavor something and another flavor something else. All that seasoning that you see down there, if you turn your stove down, what it'll do is just soften up and you can just go ahead and scrape that up. All of that is flavor. This smells amazing. Okay guys, this is done. When I tell you this tastes amazing, oh my God, listen. I promise you, please try this. Yes, it's okay to go ahead and use your own chicken and the chicken breast, but if you add this in here, it takes it to a whole other level. Okay, and for the shrimp, what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of oil. I take a piece of butter. Real butter, guys, not margarine. The butter is for the flavor, and the oil is just for the withstanding of the heat so the butter won't burn. Okay, what I add to my shrimp is put a little onion powder, garlic powder, and your best friend to seafood, Old Bay. Guys, if you don't use Old Bay in your seasoning, I don't know what you're waiting on. You're missing out. I promise you. So you're going to go ahead and mix that. Oh, and I add parsley as well. So again, guys, this is quick, simple, and easy. And we're going to take this over to the pan. And I'm going to show you how to cook these. So I already have my butter and oil. Oh my God, the smell. As soon as it hits this butter and this oil. Wow. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that these shrimp are coated with this butter. And you just want to leave these in so they get pink. Oh my God, this smells so good. Shrimp doesn't take that long to cook, guys. All you have to do is let it turn pink just a little bit and it's done. Guys, look at this. I wish there was a such thing called smell-o-vision. Oh my gosh. I just want to taste one of these. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. When I say, oh, this shrimp, guys, this butter and this garlic and seafood flavoring. When I tell y'all the best you've ever tasted, try it, guys. I'm telling you. As this is how you make my famous homemade chicken and shrimp Alfredo pasta sauce. Guys, go ahead and check out my other video which I show you how to make this homemade Alfredo sauce. Guys, you will never buy another jar of Alfredo again after this recipe. Okay guys, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so you can be indicated when your girl is back up in your DMs and or your messages or however you receive my notifications. And I will see you in my next video, which will be a mukbang with this delicious food. Thank you. I love you, and bye.